guys, welcome back to Pure Kayleigh. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a challenge that involves creepy crawlies, insects and all them ill things I absolutely hate. But what I'm actually going to be doing is I'm going to have 3 packets of strawberries, and you're meant to put the salt water in the strawberries, and apparently little insects and everything will come out of the strawberries. So I find this is absolutely disgusting, and I never knew anything like it, but I really want to know if it's true or if they're just making it up, because when I first saw it, I was like, ew, like that's just weird, like whoever knew that, like that's just disgusting. And it was actually my dad that showed me it, and he was like, it'd be really good if you done a video on it, and I was like, that'd actually be really funny if I really want to know if that's true or false. And I've actually got 3 packets of strawberries, and they're all in date, they're all sealed, and I've got 3 sorted, as you can sort of tell, all in date, the 30th of May. And I've got a jug of salt water, like warm salt water here. And then I've got my 3 bowls and a watch, because what you're actually meant to do is you're meant to leave it in the salt water for 30 minutes, and they're all meant to come out like through that 30 minutes. And I was like, I am so freaked out because I love strawberries, and I'm like, insects in strawberries, like that's the worst thing that you could ever hear in your life. And I really hope this doesn't put any of these off, because strawberries are really nice and they wouldn't have them in supermarkets if it's really bad for you. So we will see in this video if it's true or false. Right, so as you can see, I've got 3 packets of strawberries here, and I've got 3 glass bowls. So I'm going to open this packet of strawberries now, and I'm going to pick up 1 random strawberry. So there you go, very nice strawberry here, and I'm going to put that in the first bowl. Now I'm going to open the second packet, and I'm going to also pick another random one right now. That is actually a very nice strawberry. I would eat that right now if I could, but I'm not going to. And my last packet of strawberries. And I'm going to pick another very random strawberry. And that is a very, very massive strawberry. Oh my god, wow. And I'm going to put that in there. So now that I've got all my strawberries in the bowls, I've got my jug of hot salt water. So I'm just going to put that in each bowl, and if I spill this, okay, I don't care, because I spill everything. I am such a messy person, it's not normal. So I'm putting that in all 3 bowls. And I'm actually so excited to see if this works, because it'll just be really weird. So I'm going to leave that for 30 minutes, and we shall see if any insects or bugs or whatever come out of this, because this is weird. It is literally the weirdest things ever. Like, who ever knew this? Make sure that you comment down below if you have tried this, and tell me where you got your strawberries, and like if it worked for you. And also make sure you watch till the end to see the end results, because it will be weird if there's actual insects in strawberries. Ew. So I'll be back in 30 minutes and I'll show you the end results. Right, so it's been about 10 minutes, well over 10 minutes, and I'm going to have a look and see if anything has happened. So here's strawberry 1. So nothing's happened with strawberry 1 at the minute, but that's only 10 minutes. So here's strawberry 2. And nothing has happened to strawberry 2 either. And here's strawberry 3. And nothing's happened to strawberry 3 either. So obviously, as it's just been 10 minutes, I'm going to put in more water and just top it up a little bit more, so then it might work, because I never filled it up all the way up the last time. So there we go. I've just put more water in, and I'll leave it for another 5 or 10 minutes and I'll be back. Right, so it's been like 10-15 minutes, and in strawberry 1, I think I can see one. I actually do think I can see one. I can't pick it up though. I've lost it. No, I think I haven't. It's like there, I can see it. Like, I just seen it right there. Can you see that? So in strawberry 2, I don't know if there's if there's bugs in this strawberry, because I can't see any in this strawberry. But no, in strawberry 3, I don't think I've seen, wait, I think I've just seen one. Is that on? So there's another bug in strawberry 3, right on the spoon. A nice one under the spoon. So there are definitely bugs in your strawberries. This is normal, so it is. So I hope this has not put you off strawberries, because if it wasn't normal, then they wouldn't have them in the supermarkets. So that is completely normal, and it hasn't put me off strawberries, so I hope it hasn't put you off strawberries. So make sure you like and subscribe down below, and comment down below if you have done this and if it has worked for you and where you got your strawberries from. So thank you for watching.